Meet the Tecnomar Lamborghini 63, a luxury speedboat with two V12 engines that make a combined 4,000 horsepower. The Tecnomar Lamborghini 63 was designed in collaboration with the Italian Sea Group and yacht builder Tecnomar. Its design inspired heavily by the Italian carmaker's new science supercar, meaning lots of angular lines and extreme proportions. In true luxury yacht fashion, the deck's color and materials are fully customizable, with clients able to choose from an extensive list of colors and liveries. There are two start-stop buttons, one for each engine, and are exactly the same as found on the road car. Like every great Lamborghini, the company's new speedboat packs V12 power. Instead of a high-revving gas-powered engine, there are two man-built 24.2-liter diesel V12s, making 2,000 horsepower each. Combined, the engines weigh over 5 tons alone. Top speed is 60 knots, making it the fastest boat in Tecnomar's fleet. Production of the Tecnomar for Lamborghini 63 is capped at 63 units each, priced from $3 million. Deliveries will start in early 2021.